Do you want to turn your imaginary art and drawing ideas into amazing animated story videos? Today, we will learn how you can use YouArt AI to design stunning cartoon characters and storytelling clips just by using simple text commands. We'll go completely step by step, from character design to animating them, all within this single workflow. So if you love digital art and graphics, don't miss this tutorial. Get started.
First, open your browser, search UArt. You need to visit YouArt AI and sign in with your Google account.
As soon as you land on the dashboard, you'll get a simple AI chat interface where you can type any of your creative thoughts or stories. Instance, we are type interesting. Prompt here. Create a story about a princess in battle against a giant rabbit.
You can do it like this chat or ChatGPT. You can see that our first story scene has been generated. Right below it, the AI provides options to choose the visual style, such as cinematic realism, concept art, anime, Chinese ink, and a free input option for custom styles.
We selected the cinematic realism here. And look how brilliantly the AI generated the frames for Princess Ilara and the giant rabbit. Now that our character designs are ready, the next step is to review them. Text to sounds good. When you wrote sounds good in the chat, you basically told the AI, I like the designs you have created and they are absolutely perfect. The AI has generated perfect face and full body character sheets for both Princess Ilara and the giant rabbit. Now to confirm these designs, we will type sounds good in the chat. However, I don't want these images to look realistic. I want them in a proper cartoon style, so we will instruct the AI to convert them into a cartoon look. We will type in the chat, generate new images using Nano Banana 2 and make them more cartoon-like. By using the Nano Banana 2 model, the AI has transformed our images into brilliant, colorful cartoon assets that look absolutely amazing. Take a look at this. The AI has generated the final and complete pictures of both our main characters. On the left, you can see our princess standing fully ready with her armor and sword. And on the other side is our giant rabbit, with incredible details and expressions. Now that the final cartoon pictures of our princess and the giant rabbit are perfectly ready, we will ask the AI to turn them into a video. We will type in the chat.
Yes, please generate and use SeaDance Toe.0
model to convert our still pictures into high-quality animated clips. You can see on the right side that the AI has changed those still images into stunning 5-second animated clips with fluid character movements. And there you go. The AI has generated a brilliant 5-second animated clip based on our command.
You look at the options. Clicking here gives you a list of different LLMs to easily change your script or enhance your prompts.
And when you click on the video models option, you get to see different powerful AI models and many other advanced options available here.
You also get powerful video models like SeaDance and Kling to make your animations look even better.
Let's go to New Project. First, we start by uploading our base image into the image loader node. Then, connect it to the Kling v3.0 video model. Paste your detailed scene description in the prompt box. First is Sense. This sets the overall mood and vibe. And technology, we specify the visual look. We chose an anime fantasy style, action, which drives the movement. We instructed the AI that the princess stands in the fog. The best part is you can select as many seconds as you need for your video. Whether it's a short 5-second clip or a longer scene, I select 10 seconds. Enable click the Generate Audio, run Select. In just a few moments, the AI will process both the animation and the voiceover simultaneously.
I am the guardian of this kingdom. The ancient magic has awakened, and I will protect my people from the darkness.
Now, what if you want to modify your character's look? Let's add another image loader for a style reference, like this long white hair overlay, and connect it to the Nano Banana 2 image model. Type a simple prompt like, "Put hair on the princess girl." Link both inputs and click Run. As you can see, the AI seamlessly changes the hair while keeping the original character intact. UArt workflows make it incredibly easy to blend video generation and image editing in one place. You get options for upload, custom text, and multiple video models. You also have audio models, LLM models, image tools, and advanced video tools all in one sidebar. Explore these features to elevate your content. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. See you next time.